like you've met a new friend, Roby. Do you know who it is? It's a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes all over their bodies. You're right, zebras do look alike, but they're very different. Let me show you. Do you know why zebras have all those black stripes? Many reasons. The stripes help zebras hide and blend into their wilderness surroundings. The stripes also help keep buzzing little flies away. And, most importantly, the stripes help zebras recognize each other. Funny, Roby. You're not a zebra. Every zebra, big and small, young and old, have their own special stripes that no other zebra has. Even baby zebras have them. Little bitty baby zebras like this are called foals. They grow very fast and can even stand up on all four legs soon after they're born. Look at all those zebras. Zebras live together in big groups like this because it's easier for them to take care of each other, just like we do. And just like us, zebra moms feed their babies lots and lots of milk. Yup, that feels really thirsty, Roby. After their big breakfast, those two are getting ready for the day by grooming each other. Now the zebras are ready to do what they do best. Look for more food, of course. Zebras spend most of their time traveling far and wide searching for their favorite food. Do you know what their favorite food is? Zebras love to eat grass. All that eating can make a zebra thirsty, so now it's time to go to the lake and get a nice cool drink. And the lake isn't just for drinking. Zebras use the lake to take baths, splash each other, and have lots of fun. Zebras are friends with all animals, even birds like this. Of course zebras will be friends with you too, Roby. Looks like the zebras have had enough food and play for the day. They're heading off to get some sleep. You're tired too, Roby. Then it's time to say goodbye to our new zebra friends. Bye, Roby. Bye, zebras.
Your first subscription isn't just for your TV. You can easily access your subscription on your phone, tablet, or computer, opening up your account to every screen your family uses. Enjoy interactive games and books for active learning at any time. Stream their favorite videos whenever you need it. Or switch to soothing bedtime content. It's the same subscription, fully unlocked on all your family's screens. Simply download the app on your other devices and sign in now. Your favorite on-screen friends are back! The iconic Color Crew is lighting up the screen in a brand new series. This time, they are taking your little ones into the wonderful world of numbers.
7 yellow bananas.
The Color Crew helps toddlers master numbers and discover quantities step by step, turning every mix-up into a fun counting celebration. Watch Color Crew First Numbers, only on Baby First.
This program is brought to you by Haya. Zero sugar vitamins for kids. No gummy additives, just real nutrition. Get 50% off your first order at hayahealth.com.
Come on!
Word party! The party's just begun. There's a word for what we're gonna have, and that word is fun. Word party! Everyone party! The word is fun. When
babies are just finishing their lunch.
Yes. All done. Yum. Now I have lots of energy to make my body jump. Jumpy jump. I'm a wallaby. Wallaby can jump.
Clickety Clock is here to tell us what's next.